Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Kindly allow me to raise two matters, issues that have come into this House and have not been responded to. One, 2 weeks ago, we had raised the issue of KERA having deducted money going to the constituencies for financial year 25-26, having reduced the 22% from 42 million to 35 million. That's a reduction of 7 million per constituency, and a reduction on the 10% from 21 million to 15 million, a reduction of 6 million. That's a total of 13 million. Honorable Speaker, the Speaker on that day had instructed the Leader of Majority to give a response to this House last week on Tuesday, but that has not come, and would like to indulge the Speaker to give guidance on this matter. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, there's another sensitive matter that is falling behind schedule. That is to do with the disbursement of NGCDF. Honorable Speaker, there is a letter to this Parliament dated 16th of October 2025 that gave the schedule on how the monies will be disbursed, which was 5.3 billion every month. Honorable Speaker, for the last month, that is February, and this month, we are now in arrears to a tune of 10.6 billion, and up to date, 32.3 billion of the 58.8 billion has been disbursed, leaving a gap of 23.5 billion. Honorable Speaker, if we continue at this rate that they've started, we are likely to reach the end of this financial year without the total disbursement. Can we get guidance on
Was this part of the request you had done 2 weeks ago?
This is following up on the schedule presented in this House on 16th October 2025, Honorable Speaker.
I do not see the Majority Leader. I would direct that he comes with the response tomorrow afternoon.